we started a pilot with one of our clients that was complaining a lot about the service they were receiving in facility maintenance.
Yep.
We took a little pilot of 70 stores across a small region, and we just started growing it. And then we started offering it to our best clients, explaining to them, hey, we don't have this figured out yet, but we're making headway. Here's what we think we can do and how we can do it. And so we'd like to try it with you as well. Here's what we've done with our pilot. And, and it just started growing. And
I love that.
Here you are. We have, I want to say, probably 40 national or regional clients in just the facility maintenance side. And now we have 4 divisions in our business. We have a construction division. We have a program division. We have a project division, and then we have a facility maintenance division. And the facility maintenance division is growing the fastest. I actually expect it to be almost half our revenue in the next 3 years.
No kidding. That's awesome. I love how you did that, though, because you took an idea, you basically, did it on a very test niche customers, but then, and you're honest. You said, we don't have it figured out, but we have all the tools to figure it out, work with us, and give us feedback. And I think a lot of technology companies are doing that today. They basically do a survey, what people want, and then they answer the survey. They see what they want. They're like, all right, we can do probably like 75% of this. The other 25% we can't do yet, but we're going to do it anyways.
Yeah.
And then also they put out a product that meets what they need. And then they're like, hey, by the way, this is in beta, And like Google did that with Gmail. They came out with Gmail and it was in beta for like 10 years. Like, when was the last time you heard beta for 10 years on a product? Like, never.
Right.
And it's innovative what you did because you knew it would work, but you wanted to test it, something that you could control in a certain market.
I love your analogy. I think it's a great analogy. Really cool.
So that's amazing. And that shows, to me, it shows your company's innovation and to grow with what's available.